Yeah, it's about take 348 now. Hello, this is Amok Time from the future. I've had some really good feedback from some friends and family, and one thing just to warn you is that the following video may cause slight feelings of queasiness. Sorry about that. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just thought I'd actually start putting some introductions at the beginning of my films, because otherwise it's all a bit dry and just a bit samey. We had a great afternoon out at Breen Beach in Somerset. Took the Air 3 and the Mini 3 Pro. Both of them performed magnificently, except for the time where I lost signal on the Air 3 when it was quite a long way out to sea, and then I had a bit of a panic, but returned home, brought it straight back, and I soon resumed my signal and was able to complete the flight. Anyway, hope you like the introduction, hope you enjoy the film, and yeah, have a watch and see. And this is just a quick video to just see what it's like using my tripod as a selfie stick. Seems to be okay, as long as I try to keep the camera level, of course. Which shouldn't be difficult, really. I've got an A-level in photography, you know. So that's it really, this is the outro. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell because it really does help the channel.